Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Charles Schwab customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar. You need to type down schwab.com and enter it. And once inside this homepage, what you need to do is you need to go to the chat in the top right. And over here, once the chat opens here, this is the virtual assistant. What you can do is you can simply write over here if you have any issue with the brokerage or your account. What you can do is you can simply type down and you can select send. And after that, you'll get the instruction here. And if you need more help, you can go to this contact us from here in the top. And over here, you can simply find this number. If you have issue with the brokerage, this is the number, the passport receipt, you can dial this number. And over here, before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account information ready for identity verification, and that is it. That is how you can contact Charles Schwab customer service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.